The music industry was built to keep artists out. HRDRV was built to change that. It's one platform for the artists, songwriters, producers, and creatives who deserve real infrastructure, not gatekeepers. Upload your catalog and get it sync ready. Submit directly to briefs from real music supervisors for film, TV, advertising, brands. Real opportunities, not cold emails into the void. Book Grammy-winning engineers, producers, photographers, and creative professionals through the marketplace. Pay through the platform. Get paid through the platform. No awkward Venmo requests. Drop your music in the community feed. Get real feedback, not just likes. Submit for C-suite feedback on your mix, your sync readiness, your production. We actually listen. Attend events, workshops, and showcases built for where you are in your career. Watch the replays when you can't make it live. And when your music gets placed, the money moves correctly. Splits are tracked, payouts are automated, there's no black boxes. 18 years in this industry taught me one thing. Artists who understand their business and have the right infrastructure are impossible to exploit. HRDRV is that infrastructure, and we're here to support you the whole way. We've also introduced a lifetime membership so you can kill your subscription. No more monthly or annual payments. Being an artist is expensive enough. Trust me, I know. We'll see you in there.